We're at 2463 Cavalla Loop. This is in Pensacola, just off of Michigan Avenue off South Gulf Manor. We're entering into our front door here. Directly in front of us, we have our great room with fireplace. To our left, we have our formal dining, and then to the right, we have our guest bedrooms. First, we're gonna go straight into the living area. We have this wood burning fireplace. We do have an electric insert here. Very nice, good sized room. We have laminate flooring. And then just to show you, we'll turn you around to our front door here. We do have a nice accent light fixture and coat section. Behind the front door, we have our coat closet. And then here is our dining area. We do have direct access to our kitchen from here as well, but we're gonna continue on through the main great room first. So here is that great room again. Next stop will be our breakfast nook. And then that is open to our galley style kitchen. We have all appliances included, new granite countertops, and a good sized pantry here at the end as well. Continuing on, here is that dining area again. So we have a nice big window looking into our front yard. You can see our front door there as well. Now heading back through the kitchen, we'll go to our next living room or a great room, or it could be an additional bedroom or play area. So we'll take a small step down, and then here is that room. This is the door to our backyard. We do have a pool. Pool care is included. We'll head out there in just a moment, but first we're gonna go to the bedrooms. So just off our kitchen, we have a short hallway. To the left is our 2-car garage and our laundry. And then here is the master suite. This is on the back side of the home, so we have windows looking into the backyard. We have laminate flooring throughout this bedroom. Lots of good lighting from these windows as well. And then we do have an attached ensuite with a private water closet and a walk-in shower. So here is that bathroom space. And then over here we have our water closet with our walk-in shower. We do have a built-in stool, or seat rather. And then coming back out on the other side is our walk-in closet. Goes all the way up. Heading back out, here's that master bedroom again. Now we're gonna head to the opposite side of the home. This is a split floor plan. So we're gonna go back through the kitchen and breakfast nook area, through our great room. We're gonna pass our front door here. We'll come to another short hallway. First up on the right is bedroom number 2. So this is on the front side of the home. We have a nice big window looking into our front yard and a good sized closet as well. Laminate flooring continues throughout this section of the home as well, so no carpeting. Next we have bathroom number 2. Again, this is nicely redone. We have good sized vanity with extra storage space, walk-in shower with built-in seat. Coming back out. And then here is bedroom number 3. So this is on the back side of the home. Nice, good closet space in here as well. And lots of good lighting from this window, as the window does face south. Heading back out. Now we'll take you to the backyard. So we're gonna go back through our foyer, go through our great room, through our breakfast nook, and then to our back sitting room, playroom, whichever you would like to use it for. And then we'll come to our backyard. We do have this beautiful pool. We have a nice pergola as well. And then we do also have greenery areas on either side. And then we have a storage shed as well. So here is the right side of the yard. So we have a nice good green area. You can put a playground here. That storage shed is available for tenant use. And then here is our pool and pergola. Again, this is 2463 Cavalla Loop, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.